So Food Fun Finance, we are here at the pool party. I really enjoyed this place. Latitude was like the kickback spot. You can just hang out, chill. You're right by the pool, you're right by the ocean, and the drinks were to die for. Especially that tropical blue and that pina colada. Oh my God, I always had to get me two. And yes, it's kids friendly. They had lobster for a separate price. They had tomahawk steak for a separate price. I think it was worth it. We didn't get it, but I'm pretty sure it was worth it. They had their own pasta station. Can you believe it? A pasta station. The pool party had its own DJ. Oh my God, and that rice, I love it. The grilled vegetables were the best. They even had hookahs, oh my God. They had a dessert section with fruit and other little dishes that you could get. They even had a popcorn station for the kids. Kids bar was my favorite. Those sliders with the grilled chicken on the inside. Oh my God, I love that. Especially the onion rings and that pizza. Oh my God. Oh yeah, the grilled chicken was juicy, tender. I really like that. And they cooked the lobster fresh right in front of you. Prawns, all of that stuff. They cooked everything fresh in front of you. Yeah, I know you see it. 4 drinks. Yes, 4 drinks. Those blue ones, oh my God. These pina colada, oh my goodness. But make sure you get double shots. After we learned that we had to get double shots, then we started getting 4 drinks. That pasta, I was in love with the pasta. Make sure you get you some of that pasta. And guess what? All of it was free. So make sure you get the all-inclusive package. I really enjoyed this food. I had a ball. That bread right there was heaven. Look at that. Oh yeah, I was most definitely in fat boy mode. Steak was good, the pasta was good, everything was just busting. But do me a favor, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Pool party is over.